Hello there and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. And today we have the great pleasure of bringing to market this incredible Porsche Macan. So what we see here is a 2019 3-litre Porsche Macan S. It's finished in the Carmine red special gloss paint with a black leather package. Now this vehicle has covered only 21,600 miles. It has a full Porsche service history. And wait for it, £17,607 worth of factory fitted optional extras. And on this video, I'll certainly be taking you through all of the details of those. But firstly, it's worth mentioning some of the service history dates. So in May 2021, the vehicle had its first service at 9,417 miles. And then in February 2023, at 21,457 miles is when it had its second, both carried out at Porsche main dealers. Now that incredible list of specification, it would be rude for me not to take you through those details on this video. So starting first and foremost with these 21-inch 911 turbo design alloy wheels. At the time from the factory, these were a £3,165 option. Now we also have the Sport Design package, which is the black high gloss with the side skirts. This was a £3,107 option. We also have, we can clearly see, that special Carmine red gloss paint, which was £1,676. Now we do have, in its slid open position currently, the Panoramic roof system, which is a £1,137 option. On the inside of this vehicle, we have the black leather package with the partial leather seats at £1,094. And those seats are a 14-way electric with memory package, which again was a £1,044 factory option. Now inside the vehicle, we also have a BOSE surround sound system at £834. We have Porsche Active Suspension Management, known as PASM, at £816. These LED main headlights with a Porsche Dynamic Light System at £767. The black sports tailpipes around the rear at £548. Now we also have a tinted LED tail light with adaptive brake lights at £425. These side blades, which are lower down on the vehicle, painted in a high gloss black at £404. Front and rear sensors, known as Park Assist with the reversing camera, at £362. The privacy glass we can see from the B pillar backwards, really tying all that exterior styling, at £333. For the colder winter months, we also have a heated windscreen at £303. And inside the vehicle, we'll be having a look in a moment. We have a compass display on the dashboard at £261. The roof rails up top there, painted in black at £245. A heated steering wheel at £189. Power steering plus at £185. The Porsche crest embossed in the centre of the headrests at £161. The monochrome black exterior package, which removes all the chrome from the vehicle, at £143. And last but not least, the wheel centre caps with the full colour Porsche crest at £114. Now whilst we're on this side of the vehicle, we'll head inside and have a look at the quality of the interior, as I can certainly assure you it matches what we see on the exterior there. So to point out some of the items here we have that Porsche crest embossed in those headrests. Further up, that roof is in its slid back position. That will just tilt, and there is an electric blind to cover that up for privacy as well. On the side of the driver's seat here, we can see the fully electric seating controls. We also have the 2-stage position to save them to. That is the same on the passenger side of the vehicle as well. Here we have that multifunction steering wheel and an entire array of controls in the center, which are all very easy to operate and use. Now the large display in the center, of course, with the navigation, a full vehicle multimedia, all vehicle settings and Bluetooth, and of course the reversing camera view will pop up on there. Heading into the rear of the vehicle, the quality and the finish is certainly reflected back here. And I hasten to add, I don't think there have been many bums on these seats at all. And we have a separate ventilation and various power supplies and connections for the rear seat passengers. So yes, we are incredibly proud to be bringing a vehicle of this quality with this level of specification to market, and of course with that Porsche service history as well. Makes for an absolutely wonderful Macan. Now here at AMT Specialist Cars, we like to look after each and every customer and provide a very well-rounded service all under one roof. So should you have any funding requirements, please do speak with us and we'll happily contact our panel of lenders and search to get you the very best deal. For any vehicle that's outside of its manufacturer's warranty, as we can see from the banner in the background, we have our partners at Warranty Wise who are on hand to supply us with up to 3 years worth of the very best aftermarket used car warranties. And of course, if you'd like to keep your vehicle looking as you see here, we have Autoglim's Life Shine, which is carbon liquid technology designed to bond with the paintwork. The exterior glass is also treated, and on the interior of the vehicle, be that full leather or cloth upholstery, all is protected as part of one package when applied by our professionals. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope you find it informative, and if there's any details we've missed, please do let us know and we'll happily come back to you, provide you with another personal video, or of course get those details to you over the telephone. So thank you once again, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.